Hey! I just got off of my computer. I happened to just randomly log into my old YouTube account and I saw so many messages from people saying, how are you? Where have you been? I hope you're okay. I miss seeing your videos. And I realized it's been a while, only 4 years since last time I posted on YouTube, but I want to get back into it. So I'm back and I'm excited to be here. And there's so many fun things to share with you that have been happening in my life over the last 4 years. So I'll start with my jewelry company, Sparkle Bomb, which you may remember. That jewelry company is no longer. It is now a full-fledged art business. So I'm really excited to talk about how that whole transition happened. And I would love to do a whole video on it. But basically, the jewelry business was not thriving. It was a lot of fun, but it was more of a hobby. It wasn't making money. It was just kind of paying for itself. But I was putting a lot of work in. And so I was on a plane to Las Vegas, reading a book about art, and I remembered how customers used to say, oh, your jewelry, it's like little pieces of art, like little works of art. And for some reason it occurred to me, what if I actually turned that jewelry into art? Like, what if I put my acrylic creations onto canvas? So got off the plane, head straight to the art supply store, got a couple canvases, and I just started playing around and I put some pieces onto canvas, and then I found these really cool lucite frames and I framed them. And the first piece I did, I showed my mom and she absolutely loved it. And she said, Flan, I think this is even better than the jewelry. So I thought, oh, okay, maybe I'm onto something. So I actually put a piece up on Etsy thinking nothing's gonna happen. And within a couple weeks, my daughter and I were brushing our teeth in the bathroom and I heard cha-ching. And I was like, wait, what? Anyway, that piece sold. I was shocked that piece sold. And I thought, oh, wow, okay. So then I made some more pieces and I put some more pieces up and then they kept selling. Now I have a full-fledged art business, Flannery Good Art. And I'll put some pictures and put the link below to my website. And since that has happened, I've had my own solo art show. I have been part of an art show in San Francisco. I did an art show in LA, and now I just got accepted into the other art fair in LA. Of course, I'm gonna vlog that because I think it's really cool to see like the behind the scenes and what it takes to prepare for an art show. It's a lot. I actually just sold a piece yesterday that is headed to Austria, so that's kind of cool. I learned how to say happy pills in German. Anyway, yeah, so that's been really cool. And I just found out that I've been chosen to be a speaker at Alt Summit to talk about growing your art business. I'm so excited to vlog the whole experience so that I can share it with you guys. So if you don't know what Alt Summit is, it is a super chic, super stylish, super colorful conference for creative entrepreneurs. So I'm really excited. So that's gonna be in March and it's in Palm Springs. So, I mean, what's not to love? So yeah, so I'm doing that. And then another big thing is that we bought a new house and that's where I am right now. We weren't really looking. I don't know if you remember, our old house was a very traditional colonial, the 2 stories with the brick. And I've always wanted a mid-century modern house. Ever since I was a little kid, I've always loved that style. My favorite cartoon has always been the Jetsons. So I've always loved that like real modern kind of futuristic look. And I feel like mid-century modern houses have that. And then I've always loved the work of David Hockney. And I remember seeing this one painting of his. I thought, that's the kind of house I want to live in, with the pool and the palm trees and the clean lines. So anyway, we got our house. We got our mid-century modern house. And now it wasn't pretty when we bought it, but we've spent the last 2 years completely renovating it. We gutted it, we added a wall of windows, we put a pool in the front yard. We have a couple projects left, which I can't wait to share with you guys. One is my daughter, who's 12, her bedroom. Tell me if this is a normal 12-year-old thing,
This room is always a disaster, but I think once we get it redone, she's gonna get all new furniture, new carpet, new built-in closet. Hopefully, fingers crossed, she'll keep it nice. We'll see.
And then also her bathroom. So that's a lot of fun. I'm picking out a lot of fun stuff for that. So this is a perfect time to start my YouTube back up because I can take you guys with me, like actually as we're going through the process. But I do have a lot of footage from the house before, the house, like the pool being built, the windows being put in. You're gonna love it. I can't wait to do that. I wanna do, like the kitchen renovation was a huge thing. When they put the pool in, that was huge. And I did take some footage. Like I thought, even though I wasn't doing YouTube, I thought, I might want to eventually someday do something.
And one last exciting thing is that we got a new kitten, and her name is Simba, and she is very wild, but very beautiful.
The goal is to post once a week. And also too, I would love to hear if you guys have ideas, comments, what you think you would like to see. So I know my last channel was very much fashion focused, and I do love fashion. Unfortunately, I feel like my style since the renovation has kind of dropped off. I mean, I just haven't put that much energy into style because I've been putting everything into the design of our house. So I want to get back into style, and hopefully this will also encourage me to do that. I'll be more motivated to get my style right. And also too, I think there are a lot of people who can probably relate to that. You kind of lose yourself in something else, especially if you're, you know, millennial, Gen Xer. And then also it's like, okay, well, what am I supposed to wear now? Because I can't wear skinny jeans anymore, right?
I am wearing this amazing foil top by Cinca Set. I am wearing my favorite jeans ever. These are the J Brand Natasha Sky High jeans.
So maybe that's a journey we can go on together because I know I'm not the only one. But I think that'll be a lot of fun. So fashion, home stuff, art stuff, business stuff. I'm just really excited to share it all with you. And thank you for commenting and reaching out and just reminding me that there are people out there who are watching my channel, because for a long time I felt like it was just me talking to nobody. So I'm really happy to be back, and I can't wait to share all of the things. So, okay guys, I look forward to the next video.